Sketching graph is one of the topic to be mastered by the matriculation students based on the syllabus provided by Matriculation Division. Students' capability in sketching graph is at a poor level based on the candidate work report provided by the Matriculation Division. Lecturers are also looking at teaching material that can fulfill the 21st century learning. Our objectives are wanted to help students to improve their understanding in sketching graph. We also wanted to create a digital game-based learning that are fun, enjoyable and interesting for students. Our final objectives are to improve lecturers' practice in teaching sketching graph. Graphnetic is a digital game-based learning GBL which will help you on how to sketch graph by playing games. It is a driven story and interactive games which benefited and encourage students learning in mathematics. GBL was chosen because most students believe that mathematics is a boring subject which involve a lot of exercises. How do we implement this Graphnetic into our lesson? First, lecturers will share the link or QR code to students before class and they will click at the link provided or scan the QR code by using their personal laptop or tablet. Before playing the game, students need to enter their name. Now, the game has been started. Here is the introduction of the game. The game starts by checking students' prior knowledge of quadratic function. So, this is the starter that has been modeled in Graphnetic. At the end of it, we provide some notes to refresh students' memories of quadratic function and also for their reference. Here is our short tutorial on how to play the game. We create the game based on the level of difficulty. This is to ensure that students have time to reflect on and digest the learning activities before moving on to the next segment of a lesson. This is also an opportunity for lecturers to monitor students' progress. At the end of the game, we test them based on what they have learned before. Last but not least, we ask for some feedback for lecturers to guide students on what steps to take to improve and also guide lecturers to adapt and adjust teaching to accommodate students' learning needs. After a lesson, lecturers can monitor their students' work through dashboard. Dashboard will show the summary, answers, and feedback after they play Graphnetic. Graphnetic has an anonymous mode where all students' name will change randomly. This is important to protect students' confidence and integrity. Lecturers can see that if their students manage to complete the entire task given. This is to make sure that students fully understand or still facing any difficulty. Lecturers also can see the students' feedback so that they can reflect and improve the lesson in the future. As an addition, Graphnetic also has a feature where a lecturer can show students' work in front of the classroom for discussion purpose. This is to initiate their thinking because they can compare with their peers' answer. Graphnetic is a complete lesson in teaching sketching graph. It consists all the criteria required in effective lesson which are starter, lesson objective, the main lesson and plenary. Not only it can monitor students' progress. By using Graphnetic, lecturers also can publish students' work in front of the class anonymously. Graphnetic is applicable online. It is easy access. Just click at the link provided or scan the QR code given. Then, voila, you can have the experience of that you have never feel before. Graphnetic is also a zero cost, just using your personal computer or tablet and you are good to go.
Awak apa perasaan awak main benda ni?
Dia kan saya hafal sudah. Kalau di dalam kurungan tu dia akan kiri kanan, kalau yang di luar kurungan dia akan naik atas.
Oh, jadi awak hafal transformation dia sudah?
Ya.
Jadi best lah, awak suka lah? Suka
Graphnetic is a comprehensive tool that associates with secondary or matriculation syllabus, and it is applicable with other topic as well. It gives new transformation to teaching and learning with taking into account the digital 21st century learning and students' learning style. We hope this innovation is beneficial to all of us.